Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I bring science to you. So today I'll be making my own carnivorous terrarium, and I will be also saying some cool facts about carnivorous plants. So hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. So I'll be using reindeer moss as a soil cover. It is perfect for terrariums, fairy gardens, and any floral arrangements that you may think of. And so in this case, it will be perfect. So this is sphagnum moss, and it is perfect for retaining water, and it will be one of the two components that I'll be using for my soil media. Now, do not judge me here. This was the only thing I could find at my local Home Depot. I know it's too big, but peat moss will be my second component for my soil mix. These will be the tools that I'll be using. They're super cute. They have a lot of things in them. I bought them on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested in them. Trust me, they help a lot. These are some river rocks that I'll be using at the bottom of my terrarium. They are perfect because they will be acting as an aquifer. And lastly, the terrarium itself. This one I also bought it on Amazon. It has a great build quality. I highly recommend it. I'll link it down below if you're interested. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and start the video.